the sky, in the mountains, people strong in spirit and flesh. This land is called the Kafkas, and I come from there. And the people that live there, Karaçay, on the mountains near the sky. I have a native village, Üç-Keken. And though I rarely go there, when I come to my homeland again, I'm always happy to meet my friends. This land is called the Kafkas, and I come from there. And the people there live there, Karaçay, on the mountains near the sky. I have a native village, Üç-Keken. And though I rarely go there, when I come to my homeland again, I'm always happy to meet my friends. This land is called the Caucasus, and I come from there. And the people that live there, Karaçay, on the mountain